Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Atlassian Jira to BigQuery for project insights step by step clearly. To connect Atlassian Jira to BigQuery for project insights, you will first need to set up a few prerequisites. Start by accessing your Google Cloud Platform console. Create a new project or select an existing project for your BigQuery. Ensure that the BigQuery API is enabled for your project. In your Jira instance, navigate to the API token generation settings. Generate an API token that will allow secure access to your Jira data. Copy this token to a secure location for later use. Next, you will need to install a connector that facilitates the integration. Look for a Jira to BigQuery connector in the Google Cloud Marketplace, such as Jira Cloud to BigQuery. Follow the instructions provided by the connector to Once installed, open the connector configuration settings. Enter your Jira instance URL and the API token you previously generated. Set the data synchronization schedule based on your project needs, whether you prefer real-time or batch updates. Specify which Jira projects and issues to synchronize with BigQuery. You may also choose specific fields to include based on your reporting needs. Save the connector settings to establish the connection. After configuring the connector, navigate to your BigQuery console. Create a new dataset where your Jira data will be stored. Once the dataset is created, the connector will start populating your BigQuery tables with Jira data according to the schedule you set. After a successful synchronization, locate your newly created tables within the dataset. You can now run queries on this data to derive project insights. Utilize SQL queries to analyze issues, track sprint progress, or monitor team performance. Explore additional features in BigQuery, such as data visualization in Google Data Studio, to enhance your reporting capabilities. Regularly check the connector's configuration to ensure it remains aligned with your project requirements. With these steps, you will have successfully connected Atlassian Jira to BigQuery for insightful project analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.